Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'm working from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and I'm just doing Doordash only. No multi-apping, just Doordash only. I want to see how much can I make with Doordash in a 2 hours period. So I'm just gonna log in now. And the time is 4:57. $20 an hour with just one app. Is that possible? Making $20 an hour? Well, it's a Friday evening, so hopefully be busy. So I have an order, $9, 1.7 kilometers. That's a really good deal. I'll accept that one for sure. Woohoo! 1 kilometers? That's like right across the road or somewhere. It's Doordash and Terry. Yeah. Customer is 3 minutes away. So I keep saying, so I arrive at the customer and the time is 5:24. Let's go drop this off. $9, base pay $6, customer tip $3. Time is 5:40 and I only have one order with Doordash. That's $9 and I'm still waiting. Doordash, what's going on? That's why I don't like to sit around and wait. So just log into my Uber Eats and at least you have something to do. Waiting around, wasting time. No money. Not good, not good. Time is money. Money. So hot, I'm sweating like crazy. Woo. So it's 34 Celsius. That's like 93 degree Fahrenheit, like for your Americans. So I have an order with Doordash, $9 and it going 2 kilometers. I'll accept that for sure. Burrito Splendido. Let's go to Burrito Splendido. Tommy? Yeah. Pick up that order. Let's see how far customer live. It says 1 kilometers before. 1.7 kilometers. 4 minutes. Arrive at customer. Always remember to read the note. Leave it at my door and ring doorbell after drop off. Okay? Remember to read the note. So I took a picture of it and then click OK, deliver, smiley face, confirm. $6 base pay, $3 tips from customer. Thank you, customer. Thank you very much. So I have another order from Doordash. $10, 3 kilometers. Woohoo! Thank you, Doordash. Ooh. Thank you, Doordash. Only 3 kilometers. That's awesome. That's really awesome. So I pick up the order from Popeyes and customer is 5 minutes away.
Yeah, just keep your.
So is this your number that you put in for your address? How come it's not given direction?
I'm not sure. Whenever I put it in, that's really, I'm not sure.
Because this is off the GPS here.
Are you on the gravel road?
Yeah, I'm on the gravel roads.
Oh, so you can just turn far. It's on the right. Right here.
I'm gonna get lost here. Yeah. $4 customer tip. $6 base pay. This is a trailer park area. I didn't know there's a trailer park here. First time. Some people put different address and then they live somewhere else different. Gravel roll, the trailer park is over there. She put the Tim Hortons address, but she's lived somewhere else. Trying to trick the system. Well, she tipped $4. That was okay. Yeah, I was so excited. Whoa, $10. Yeah, 5 kilometers or whatever was it. Like, no. It's worse. Gravel road. You have to drive on the gravel road. Sucks. Just damage up your car. So the time is 7:01. I'm just gonna end my shift now. We're just gonna work 2 hours only, and I made $28. This is just Doordash only. So I didn't make the $20 I was looking for per hour. It's less than $15 an hour here, plus your gas money. Not great at all. That's why I like to multi-app, because this zone that I'm working here, I can't depend on one app. So say you want to make $20 an hour, I have to multi-app here. Uber Eats, DoorDash, skip the dishes. If you want to depend on one app, you have to go downtown, the central, where there's lots of restaurant is, and hope for the best. It could happen. It happened a few times when I worked there, but in this area I have to multi-app to be $20 an hour. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up. See you in your next video. Peace out.